In this lesson, I will explain to you about pie graph or pie chart. So pie chart we make in the form of a circle, right? And the circle is divided into different parts, or you can say different segments or slices, and each slice or each part or each segment represents a particular category. Suppose if we have a 4 different categories, or if we have a 5 or 6 different categories, and we are making a pie graph, so the circle will divide according to the categories. If we have 5, it will show 5. If we have 6, circle will show 6. And I will draw and show you how to make a pie graph, and each slide represents a particular category, maybe in the form of degree or maybe in the form of percentage. It depends on you how you want to show the pie graph to your audience. So this type of chart or graph is a circle divided into a series of segments or slices. Each slice represents a particular category. Here I have make some data. Suppose these are the reasons. So you can say these are the categories. Business meetings means suppose you travel in a year. So why you travel? These are the reasons for business meetings, for recreation, to visit the relatives, or to visit the friends. So suppose for business meetings you travel 20 times in a year, for recreation 15 times, visit relatives 10 times, and friends 8 times. So total number of travels, or you can say total number of frequency, is 53. Means there are 53 travels in a year, and these are the categories. So I will show you these numbers in the form of pie graph or pie chart. So first thing that you have to select the data. Do not select total and 53, only till 8, and then you have to go to the insert tab. From insert tab you can find out, this is the charts group, and you can find out the pie chart. So this circle represents the pie chart. If you could not find it from here, right, so the another way is click on the recommended charts, and recommended charts, all charts, so you will see the charts here. So we are looking for this pie. Open this pie, then you will see different, this is the 3D, and these are the different options. So in this example, suppose I want this one. I'm not going to make the 3D, so this one. And see this, there is a legend. This is called the legend. The orange represent the business meeting, gray represent the recreation, yellow represent the visit relatives, this slice, and the last slice blue represent the visit friends. If you want, to change the data, suppose if you want to make it 12, and this is the visit relatives. Which one is relatives? The yellow one. You can see the effect here. See, now this slice is bigger than the last one. If you want to show your labels here, so it is very easy. Open this and data labels. Same function you can perform from the design tab as well, from add chart titles. Here data labels, where you want to show is centered inside and here. But another way is, if you do not want to show from here, another way is click on the design. There are different ways how you want to show this to your audience. If I will click here, you can show that percent. Instead of these numbers, you can show to your audience in percentage that 15% you will travel friends, 36% is the business meetings, 27% is the recreation, similarly 22% is the visit relatives. Total should be 100%. And there are other ways. See here like this. If you do not like here, open this. There is another way. Here you can see visit friends, business meetings, recreation, so whatever you want. From here, if you want, you can change the color as well, right? But from here, if you have calculated, if you have made your pie chart with these numbers, so you can show here in the percentage as well. But if you want to calculate percentage, I will show you how you can calculate the percentage as well. So this one, always keep in mind the formula starts with equal to sign in Excel. So this one, this divided by total, and then enter. Sorry, see what is the mistake here? Multiply by, because we are making in percentage. So 36%. Second one is this. I will do individually. In this way you will learn more. Otherwise I will use the drag down feature. So in one shot we can do it, but in this way you will learn more. And it is much more better. You have to write down the cell reference instead of the integers or numbers. So this is the percentage. If we make the total, it should be 100%. 100%. Right? So if you do not want these numbers, you can show with the help of this percentage, insert, and this here I will see, suppose I want to show in the 3D, so just write down 3D. So this represent the percentage, 36.36%. And then recreation, the other one is 27. If you want to show the data labels from here to, and I will show you from here as well, data labels where you want to show center, inside, and okay, this one. So these are now percentages instead of this number. Again, if you want, you can select it from here as well, different style or design, whatever you want. Like this, you want to show, this is the 3D, right? Okay, in the next sheet, I have made the degree. If you want, you can show to your audience your data in the form of degrees, because there are 360 degrees in a circle. So the frequency for each class must be converted to a proportional part of the circle. And the formula to calculate the degree is equal to frequency divided by total number of the frequencies. And we have total number of travel, that is 53, multiplied by 360. So I will show you here 20 divided by total. Now instead of multiplying 100 is the percentage, we are converting to degree. So this is the degree. Again, I will use the cell reference, not the number. Multiply by 360. We will do one by one because we have only 4 categories here. Multiply by 360, and similarly the last one is B14 divided by total number of frequency, and then 360, and then enter. When I will add all these degrees, now this is the degrees, it should be 360, which is fine. Now I am going to show you how to make the graph. Do not consider 360. Insert. Again, if you want, you can pick the 3D. So this is the 3D. And the same function you can perform here, how you want to show to your audience, right? These are the percentages or like this. And here, if you want to change the title, just click here, write down whatever you don't want. Degree is fine. If you want, you can write down x-axis, what you have taken on x-axis. Here you, if you want, you can write down what you have taken on the y-axis. From where, click on this, and then okay, we will go. If you couldn't find it here, the chart title from here, and data labels and legend and all these things, right? So still, if you have any question regarding pie chart, you can write down in comment section. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel Saima Academy. Thanks for watching.